5 Best Lawnmower. Here is the product number 5. Edge bending machine. Forward speed, manually. Type, cutting. Power type, manual. Feature, anti-slip, cordless. Processable of edge bending thickness 0.3 to 0.6 mm. Processable of edge bending width, 60 mm. The maximum width of the width of 60 mm. Easily handle special thick plate. Hard white steel blade, more durable, more effort. Here is the product number 4. Lawnmower generator engine. Brand name, Savior. Power type, petrol or gas type, ignition coil. Package, as picture show. Feature, other, 2-stroke. Here is the product number 3. Engine generator motor. Brand name, Savior. Power type, petrol or gas. Type, ignition coil. Package, as picture show. Feature, other. Here is the product number 2. Titanium replacement lawnmower blades. Brand new. Material, titanium. Size, approximately 35 by 18. Thickness, approximately 0.6 mm. Color, gold, as picture shows. Feature, other. Model number, lawnmower blade. Type, mower blades. Here is the product number 1. Lawnmower parts of new oil filter. New high quality aftermarket oil filter. Brand name, Savior. Power type, petrol or gas. Certification, other. Feature, other. Type, professional mowers. Type, oil filter. Warranty, 3-month warranty. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.